Carrie Caveda with Prodigy Real Estate. We are here today at 169A Laurel Plz, a beautiful ranch home located in an adult community at Clearbrook in Monroe, Middlesex County, New Jersey. This home features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Let's check it out.
Wanna be just like you.
Here we are in the combo living room dining room. The kitchen is located right across from here. You can access the garage through the kitchen and a side door from outside. This place is also very spacious. We are now in the sunroom of this home. This sunroom has its own wood-burning fireplace and receives plenty of light for the living room. This community has 2 clubhouses, both including pools and providing many activities for the residents. There's easy access to major roads, shopping, and transportation to New York City. If you would like to see this home in person, please contact the real estate agent below. Thank you for watching.